Hey guys, today let's learn how to change your YouTube name on your channel. So if you guys would like to go ahead and change the YouTube channel name on your YouTube channel, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So this is going to be pretty easy guys, because what we need to do first is to launch the YouTube application. And once we're already here, I'd like you guys to proceed with tap on our U tabs, tap on viewed channel, and then tap on the pencil icon right here. Now, you're gonna have the option to change your name of the channel. Just go ahead and tap on this pencil icon once more. Under your name, go ahead and change your name to whatever one you prefer, and then tap on save. And that's how you guys could easily change your channel name on your YouTube application. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.